Betting on a trade, we actually did quite well on this particular trade that we just completed. And I'm going to explain why we pulled out. The first percentage, the initial P, was right here, set at 36%. So as you can see, we entered the trade at 0.3 below that mark. And then, wouldn't you know it, we managed to make an impressive 62% gain. At that point, and this is crucial, I decided to exit the trade. Everyone keeps telling me, you make so many videos, but we never quite understand when you're taking action or what your exact strategy is. Well, my dear friend, let me tell you, what we're looking at here is a double top pattern. And a double top, as history and market analysis consistently show us, is a classic indicator that it's going to dump, okay? So how much exactly did I make on this specific trade, you might be asking? We're talking about the amount from here, and I will actually show you the screenshot, the exact photo from within my team's communication channel to prove it. I mean, all things considered, I will have made a solid 65% profit. And with that double top formation, I'm telling you, the probabilities, the chances of a significant dump are incredibly high. The only scenario where it might push through and continue upwards would be if there was a major victory, some unforeseen positive news. But let me assure you, there's absolutely none of that to be found right now. The trading volume itself looks decent, true, but I also have a red dot appearing prominently on my 4-cipher indicator, which is a key signal for me. And do you observe the Crypto-Quebec 3.0 indicator right there? Essentially, what you're noticing here, my friend, is that it provides these specific lines. I've highlighted it with a dotted line right here, and then my impressive indicator, it's marking these points. These points clearly indicate the peaks, the very tops of the current market movement. This, my friend, signifies an incredibly dangerous situation, a zone of high risk, and that precisely is why I made the decisive choice to exit the trade, securing a very respectable 68% gain. Now, I know you're wondering, you probably want to know when I actually gave the signal for this trade. Well, I initiated and shared this trade recommendation right here on April 19th. Can you see it now? It's going to look remarkably similar to what you're seeing in that small image at 5:42 a.m. It's precisely that exact setup. Good. The arrows are pointing. Good. It's all clearly laid out. I'm going to enlarge it for you in just a moment so you can see it with even greater clarity. Obviously, the indicator...
I take 1% daily. As you know, it's a paid group where I consistently share all of my trades with the members. You can even see it clearly here. It's all before AI. So if this genuinely interests you, please message me, and I will be selecting 1% each day from those who watch this video and decide to join the paid group where I share all of my trades. So, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon, my friends.